Hi all, welcome back. In this video, we're gonna learn where we can find Salesforce Storefront cartridge. For that, you can just search for sign into Salesforce Commerce Cloud GitHub on Google, and in result, you can just click on sign into Salesforce Commerce Cloud. Once you click, so it will be redirect to an SSO page. Over there, you need to be signing in by using your Salesforce Commerce Cloud credential, whatever credential you have. Whatever credential you have, you can just fill it out this information and just verify your Commerce Cloud credential. So once you successfully sign in with SSO, then you are logged in into a Salesforce Commerce. So once you successfully sign in, then inside Salesforce Commerce Cloud organization, you can see 115 repository. Here you just need to search for that. So you can find storefront reference architecture inside that. Just simply download in your local system and follow the readme file to install the required dependency inside that folder, and by using that you can simply compile your base cartridge and try to upload and play with them. If you want a specific video on that, you can just comment on that. I'll create for you. So that's all about this video. Thanks for watching.